Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video, and what not perfect time to come and do a nail set. My nails are definitely I already took off one hand, but I'm going to show you how I take off the other hand. Definitely time for a set. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified every single time I upload. Subscribe if you haven't, and thank you for all the love and support to everyone who still watches my content. It really means the world. So thank you guys so much always for the nice comments. I really appreciate it. So BTArtbox nails did go ahead and send me this a while ago. I just haven't really gotten to a lot of my PR, but here we have the X coat tips, and I have done a video on these in the past and everybody loved it. So I'm going on ahead and doing round 2 on these. So this is a 3-in-1 soft gel system. They are soft gel and they are soak off, so they're very easy to take out. This is from the Cat Eye series, and it does bring 16 different sizes, and it says 160 through 320 pieces, and it's patent 3-in-1 soft gel system. So it's pretty interesting because it says it brings a base coat, soft gel tips, and then the tip primer. So here's the system actually. French protecting X coat tips. So let's see what this is about. It does bring you can scan for a tutorial and also the steps from 1 through 4, which is nice to have the photos as well to show you, and they do last 28+ days, of course, with proper prep and preparation. So here we have the steps. Step 1 is the X tips the X coat tips builder gel, and then we have the X coat tips top coat, and we have this is the glue. So this is the first step, and then we go into the other two. These are really beautiful. These are like the cat eye ones, which are really pretty if you look up close. And then from the side angles, they're very nice. And then this is what the inside looks like. So you get 5. So you get a lot. Yeah, 5 total. You get a lot for sure. So you have nails for days, and show you the way I remove my nails. So this is on my Amazon storefront, and this is a nail gel polish remover, and it works really, really well. So honestly, all I do is I remove the shine. I do grab more of a heavier duty, rougher grit file. I remove the shine off the top of my nail and trim it down. So there we have that, as much as possible. And now we're gonna do the same thing. Just gonna trim these down. And now we're just gonna remove the shine. And it removes everything, and it's super easy. Just be very careful to not get it on your skin. I'm almost running out because this is my new method, because it doesn't dry out your skin or anything like acetone. I'm going to be using the Protein Bond by Young Nails. So I won't be using this acid-free primer today by Morvan. So I'm going to go ahead first with the nail prep. This is a dehydrator. It's going to remove all the oils and dirts from the nail by dehydrating it. It does exactly what it says. One of the best ones from Young Nails. If you haven't tried it, definitely give it a try. And you can always reshape these to the shape you want. So first I'm gonna apply the sorry, the gel glue. Okay. Just apply a little bit of gel glue. A little goes a long way. Apply at a 45-degree angle when you're placing the nail. Over. Now pretty much I'm just going to shape these before I go ahead and put on the builder gel. Next we have builder gel. So we're just gonna apply it on top of the nail to reinforce it and strengthen it. So after I apply the builder gel, you can apply as many layers as you like. I only applied one. I'm gonna go ahead and add the top coat and we're all done. So it's super easy. And these nails are so pretty and delicate. I really, really love them. You can go ahead and add rhinestones, all types of designs, nail art. I'm gonna go ahead and leave them as they are. I like how simple, they're not even very simple because they're cat eye, but I love how they look. For me, this is simple, so I love the way they look like this. I think they look beautiful. So these are the final results of the nails. These are the final results of the nails. Let me know what you guys think. They're so pretty. I absolutely love them. And I'll see you guys in the next upload.